Now another topic that has been frequently appearing in the news again and again recently was the Global Forum for Food and Agriculture, or the Gffa. Now this Global Forum for Food and Agriculture, it is basically an international conference that focuses on central questions concerning the future of global agriculture and food industry. So it is an international conference which is focused on these kind of issues with respect to food and agriculture. Now one thing we need to clearly note down with respect to this particular conference, whenever it comes to international conferences, who organizes these kind of international conferences. This particular Gffa conference, it is organized by the Federal Ministry of Food, Agriculture and Consumer Protection of Germany. So remember that part, it is organized by the Federal Ministry of Food, Agriculture and Consumer Protection of Germany. So it is commonly held in Berlin in Germany. It is held every year in January during the International Green Week in Berlin. Who attends this international conference? It is attended by representatives from the world of politics, business, science and civil society. Now another peculiarity of this Global Forum for Food and Agriculture is that this also hosts the world's largest conference of agriculture ministers. Again, remember that fact. The Summit of Agricultural Ministers, it is again hosted as part of this Global Forum for Food and Agriculture. Now whenever we hear the term Global Food and Agricultural Forum, the first thing that probably comes to our mind is about the International Green Week. So what is the International Green Week and what is the importance of the International Green Week? See, this International Green Week, it is an international exhibition of food, agriculture and gardening industries. So it is an international exhibition of food, agriculture and gardening industries. Now in the framework of this particular exhibition, two major events are also organized. One is the Gffa, or the Global Forum of Food Industry and Agriculture. Then the other one is the Summit of the Agricultural Ministers. Now presently during the International Green Week, around 80 international ministries as well as food producers will be attending this program. So it is that kind of a huge program on the food and agricultural industry. So that is also called by the term, or this particular event is also known by the term, the Davos of agribusiness. So it is known by the term the Davos of agribusiness, so because it has that kind of a huge reach. So around 80 international ministries and food producers from all around the world are participating in this particular International Green Week. So it is known by the term Davos of agribusiness. Now recently again, why this was frequently appearing in the news? Due to the fact that 83rd International Green Week was recently held during January 2018 in Berlin in Germany. Now we will try to solve a prelims model question with respect to this International Green Week and the Global Forum of Food Industry and Agriculture. So consider the following statements with respect to the Gffa. First statement, it is an international conference that focuses on central questions concerning the future of global agri-food industry. That is obviously true. Then second statement, it is organized by the Food and Agriculture Organization. Again, this is something that can confuse the students, but again remember that it is organized by whom? It is organized by the Federal Ministry of Food and Agriculture of Germany. So our second statement is wrong. Then our third statement, it is held during the International Green Week. That is absolutely true. So here our statement 1 and statement 3 is true. So our correct answer is 1 and 3 only. So which is our option C. So answer is option C. So that's all about the PMT 12 answer discussions with respect to international relations and some of the current affairs topics. So I hope you have got an idea and a clarity on these topics.